Welcome to 536 Idlewood Park Drive. This awesome 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story townhome, the comfort front porch, small side fence patio, and completely updated interior. It's located near US 1 or Augusta Highway in West Columbia, convenient to I-20 and I-26, Lexington, as well as Cayce and downtown Columbia. So we're out front. You can see you have pretty much community parking out here. It's just these 4 buildings on this back side, but this is part of a duplex townhome unit. So you have sort of parking out front and a bit of concrete patio as well. Covered front porch here as you enter. And then once we get the light adjusted for you inside, you'll notice that there are luxury vinyl plank hardwood floors throughout the downstairs. So that's basically in the main living area and kitchen. You enter into the living room. Off of the entry, you have a ceiling fan in here. It's of course all open floor plan back to the kitchen. You can see through the dining room there in the kitchen as well. There is a coat closet here off the entry as we come in. So you have a nice sized dining area. Off to the left here is a half bathroom with granite countertops and a commode. You have granite in the kitchen and also in the upstairs baths as well. Then out of the side here, you have access to the patio space. So just a small fenced in patio for some outdoor living area. Some pendant lighting over the bar counter at the edge of the kitchen. And again, the granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Is a side-by-side refrigerator, smooth top electric range, built-in microwave, as well as a dishwasher. And you have nice large cabinets, good cabinet space. I believe they are soft close cabinets and drawers as well. And I believe that's some storage down there underneath the stairs as well. And then you have these stairs going to the second level. I'm not sure if you saw that before we turned, but there's a nice sort of higher window right in front of the stairs, just letting in some natural light. Carpeting starts here and continues throughout the rest of this level upstairs. So right off the landing, you have the master bedroom, which faces the front of the unit. You have a ceiling fan in here, as well as a closet over here. Not quite a walk-in, but it's a pretty nice size. And then you have a full bathroom as well. Again with the granite countertops here and double sinks, as well as a shower and tub on this wall. And you do have a tankless hot water heater in here as well. The controls for that is here in the bathroom. And then in the hallway, laundry room with stackable washer and dryer connections, so it cannot accommodate side by side. So whatever pair you put in here would need to be able to sit on top of each other. And then the second bathroom, again with those granite countertops and a shower and tub, same as in the master. And then last but not least, the second bedroom. This one faces the back of the unit. And this one does actually have a bit deeper of a walk-in closet. Some space on the side there. So a little bit smaller width-wise, but you can't actually kind of fully go inside that one. Just barely. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, this is 536 Idlewood Park Drive in West Columbia. You can find out more information by visiting us online at turnerproperties.com.